Hello, people. Today we're talking about something critical. What's going on with our planet right now? From climate winds to some absolutely terrifying realities, so this is a must-watch for you. Buckle up, because some of this might blow your mind, or maybe break your heart. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button. It might be the only thing that survives climate change.
The hottest year on record.
All right, starting with the big one. 2024 is on track to be the hottest year ever recorded. Imagine stepping outside and it feels like the sun has a personal grudge against you. Global temperatures are now flirting dangerously with 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. And you know what that means. More heat waves, more wildfires, and basically fewer excuses to avoid sunscreen.
Two droughts everywhere.
Right now, 48 U.S. states are facing drought. That's nearly the whole country, except Alaska, where it's just too cold to care, and Kentucky, which apparently got lucky. But for the rest, crops are failing, reservoirs are drying up, and let's just say your water bill might hit the nightmare setting soon. Time to invest in a cactus garden, am I right?
COP16's mixed bag.
At COP16, world leaders gathered to save the planet, or at least have a nice catered lunch while talking about it. There was a win. Indigenous communities are finally being heard, which is huge for biodiversity. But the funding to actually stop nature from collapsing? Let's just say it's missing in action, like your New Year's resolutions by February.
4. Good news from the Amazon.
Finally, some good news. Deforestation in the Amazon is down. This is like Earth's lungs getting a breather after smoking 2 packs a day. It's a win we desperately need, but let's not get too comfy. The battle is far from over.
5. Coral bleaching horror.
Now, let's dive literally into our oceans. Coral reefs, the magical underwater cities of fish, are turning into ghost towns. The 4th mass bleaching event is happening as oceans hit sauna-level temperatures. No jokes here, folks. It's heartbreaking. If the reefs go, so does 25% of marine life. That's a bad deal for Nemo and for us.
Greenhouse gas record.
Brace yourself. Coal and oil use hit an all-time high last year. Great for fossil fuel companies, terrible for literally everyone else. It's like watching a fire burn down your house and then throwing gasoline on it.
7 monster hurricanes.
Up, and not in a good way. Take Hurricane Milton. It went from chill tropical storm to apocalyptic beast overnight. Warm oceans are supercharging these storms. Coastal towns? They're the punching bags. At this point, it feels like we should name hurricanes after X's, just as destructive and unpredictable.
6 years left.
A new report says we've got just 6 years before we blow past 1.5 degrees Celsius permanently. 6 years, people. That's shorter than most Netflix series these days. Time to stop binging and start acting.
9. Methane madness.
Methane might not get as much press as CO2, but it's packing a serious punch, 30% of current warming. Cutting methane emissions could buy us crucial time. So let's rethink our waste and maybe eat fewer burgers. Sorry, cows.
10. Big picture solutions.
Here's the deal. Saving the planet isn't just about cutting emissions. We need sustainable systems, ecosystem restoration, and honestly, a little common sense. And guess what? It's not all gloom and doom. There's hope if we act now. Think of it like a superhero origin story, except the hero is you. The world's not doomed, but it is in trouble, which means every small action counts. What will you do to make a difference? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more updates and a little hope.